Dude, we got the Chiron out again. No way. 2 days in a row. Are you kidding me right now? All right. Oh. Dude, we got cars left and right here. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dude, what is with today? My God. Seems to be something strange happening here at the Beverly Wilshire. What's up with all the Asians out today? Look, they're all Asian girls to my left, to my right. There's just as many Asian women out here as Supercars. My goodness, there must be like some sort of like K-pop, J-pop, or like some Chinese actor, actress staying at the Beverly Wilshire. But yep. Guys, check out that dog. Whoa. Dude, what the heck is this? Chrome Rolls Royce two-tone. It's got the green. What the? Oh, this is really confusing, guys. We got a parking meter. I just put 25 cents in. It's not accepting my money. But there's a parking meter. But it's also sort of in the... What? There's like a red line here. Maybe... Anyways, we gotta check out this Rolls Royce. You can see the green a little bit better from the front angle here, but my goodness, what a wrap. What a bizarre spec. What the actual fuck? I'm still confused by this damn... I mean, honestly, there's a parking meter right there. It won't accept my money, but I'm in the red. Dude, what the actual fuck is going on here, man? This guy's just blocking this. No one's trying to like, no one wants to let me in. What the hell, man? It's like everything gone wrong here. Oh, I think I can make it. Dude, what the come on. I don't know what it is today, but we got a lot of supercars and we got a lot of fantastic dogs. Look at that fluff machine right there. We got the one-of-one Nissan Versa SV Rodriguez edition. Well guys, I messed up once again here at the monthly Newport Beach Lamborghini show. First Saturday of the month. Tomorrow we got cars and copters, so we got quite the busy weekend. Here an hour and a half late. Totally messed up, man. Bad start to the day. Loft leaving right over here. I'm late as usual. We got the cops. He's got his radar gun on his side there. There we go. Check out this dude's license plate. Junk money. I like that. Well guys, this is what happens. We're at an empty lot at Newport Lambo because I woke up late, and we got most of the inventory of Newport Lambo up front and center here. And of course we got the 722 Roadster, and we got the Bugatti Veyron 1.2 million. It's the same one that I've seen all over the States. Of course we got the Lamborghini Urus right next to the Rambo Lambo. Which would you take? Left or right? Alright, what is this new fad where everyone is missing their rear bumper on their Huracan? Check this out. We've got cartel funds, the white Huracan, lowered GT3. Got the cops in vests today too. Oh, that's naughty. The Lamborghini Centenario Roadster right here. What do you guys think about this Bugatti-inspired theme? I kind of like it. I do apologize for all the glare. I am missing my polarizer. It's somewhere in Monaco. Gone. But man, it's like an identical spec to one of the Bugattis that I've seen. We got the two P1s right over here. This is all carbon with red striping. We got the red carbon P1 right over there. Look at this. So cute.
You go to a white neighborhood, that's all you see?
Labradoodles. My neighbor has a Labradoodle.
Really?
It's like all black. It's super fluffy, yeah.
We have 4 of them.
You have 4 of them? No way.
My mom's upset. We have his sister.
Oh,
Same age, from the same
really?
litter, yeah.
So cute.
So
What's his name?
Cody.
Cody. It's a good dog's name.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, this is the best thing that we've seen all day. We got the Aventador S rolling out in the sun. Beautiful spec. But the show's over. I basically missed everything. Dan drove by in the Regera, flexing on everybody. That's right, boys and girls. We brought the Prius. It is completely trashed and dirty. We're gonna need to tidy this baby up. But we got the Stradman's R8, the infamous light bars right here. How much trouble did the police give you with these light bars? Do they care or
Light bars, they don't care. It was the red film I had on the headlights.
What? Did you actually just take it off?
Yeah, actually.
No way.
I'll give you some behind the scenes.
Whoa, check this.
Even my viewers haven't seen.
Whoa. Oh, there it is.
It's right there.
Oh, no.
Actually,
You can put them back on right now.
kind of. Yeah.
Whoa.
It won't look like perfect, but
Yeah.
you can get the general.
There you guys. There you guys have it. This is an exclusive, world exclusive right
World
there.
exclusive. Yeah, so the cops don't like that.
No, they do not.
They don't. Under the license.
So we got the 2008 Prius, and we got the Audi Stradmobile R8 right here. We're in the poverty YouTuber parking lot. This is, we're like, I didn't even know.
They put us back into Core Power Yoga.
Core Power Yoga, a block away from the show. This is where we park, guys. So we're here at Cars and Copters lot in Huntington Beach for the show tomorrow. Came here a little early. Apparently they'll be landing a couple police helicopters. Guys, check out this dude with a skateboard and the dog. Hold on, there it is. Look at that dog. He's enjoying life right there. Look at that. Utilizing this optical zoom on the Sony AX53. Make sure to check out the affiliate link in the description below, ladies and gentlemen. That's correct. We got the first chopper landing here at the parking lot, Huntington Beach. Look at that dust, holy shit. Oh, look at it getting dusted. Oh my God. Oh, knock the camera down. Oh, no. All right, we got the first copter landing. We got the second one right all the way in the distance. There we go. Everyone on the beach is just like, what the hell is going on here? Little did they know, Cars and Copters tomorrow, guys. Stay tuned. The difficult landing situation between the poles, the trees, the cars, and the wind. Got two civilian ones rolling through here. Look how low that thing is. Oh, boys and girls, the time has finally arrived for the cold start to the Audi Stradmobile here. That's so loud, what the fuck? Whoa, yeah, whoa, naughty boy. Anyways, we're gonna be meeting with my buddy Mo. By the way, Mo is an old school leaper, one of the OG car spotters. We're gonna be checking out his car collection. All right, check out my buddy's license plate right here. Oh my God, that's awesome. We are currently at one of my buddy's house, Mohammed. He's an OG leaper. Got his entire diecast and resmo. This is the 1/12 scale section right over here. Pretty impressive, man. There's quite a few. There's some 118s down here, some auto art. These are the Look Smart. We got the Vision GT. We got the Zonda R by Pico. This is another Look Smart. It's kind of dark in here to get the Centenario. And we got this. What scale is this? The 1/8?
1/8.
1/8 scale F1 Ferrari. We got all the other ones right here. 1/18 scale by Auto Art. Got a couple BB. Oh, these are all Auto Art as well. Correction, we got the MR Collection 1/18 scale Reventon Roadster. He's taking off the base. We got a couple more cars right over here. I've been actually eyeballing this Chiron right here, the 0 to 400 back to 0 kilometers an hour, which the Agera RS broke that record, by the way. The Auto Art Bugatti, check this out. This is the most Arab thing right here, the Carbonado Mansory Aventador Roadster. Dude, this thing's fucking sick. Look at that. Got the Ferrari Automobili. What is this? It's like a car trailer, right? Yeah. Do the cars come with?
No, they're separate.
So this is probably the most expensive piece in the entire collection. Mohammed says it's going for around what, 2,200, 2,500 bucks for just the trailer alone. So yeah, this is the super rare 1/18 scale Auto Art yellow LFA. This is a pretty good collection, guys. Who's got a better collection? We got Mohammed's collection right here, or mine. I don't have any fancy display cases, but I'm gonna get there someday, guys. This guy's trying to outflex me right now. Are you fucking kidding me?
I outflexed you.
Whoa, no! The people have spoken. I've been outflexed, outballed. It's a huge box. It's in, oh wow, yeah. Impressive. He's got like a display case for his boxes too. What the heck, dude? Oh my goodness. Check this out, guys. Like, mine are all stashed away in like a closet space. It's all like disorganized, and this guy's got like a fucking wooden cabinet. Look at this. A wardrobe. There you go. Can you guys see that? Oh my god. That's awesome. That is awesome. What a spot. That's right, guys. We're back at the car wash of choice in Burbank, ZV's. But yeah, we got to get the SVR all prepped up for Sunday cars and copters. Hold on, what's going on with this hose? There we go. But yeah, I usually don't register or showcase my car at shows. It's not really my style, but hey man, whatever you got to do to support Dan the Man, I will do it. So, all right, see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.